Hi, it's David again from the DroneSense customer success team. Excited to be with y'all today talking about a brand new DroneSense application called DroneSense OpsHub Mobile. Many of our existing customers are aware that we offered an application called DroneSense Copilot. Copilot has been rebranded as OpsHub Mobile, with an incredible array of functions and features that were just not offered anywhere in the DroneSense ecosystem before today. So let's go ahead and run through it. A few really important things to note. This application is currently only available on iOS. An Android version will be coming in the future. So with that, let's go ahead and run through the features of this application. If you look at my screen, I'm going to go ahead and log in with my 4-digit PIN. We are joined to the DroneSense East organization. We have a number of missions that are available. I can see I have live assets in the missions. Now, I'm going to pause the video right here. So here I have videos. I can interact with the map. And for those customers that are aware, DroneSense OpsHub Mobile does have the capability to directly interact with the map by sharing your location and video as well. So this is a new way to use mobile streaming and tracking. I do want to make it clear that mobile streaming and tracking is currently still available in the legacy DroneSense application for iOS as well. Now, what you see is a section called assigned hardware. And we're going to go ahead and look at this drop down. We have a number of different drones here. These are Skydios in this case. What this allows me to do is, if you are a user integrating Skydio and DroneSense, that you can essentially stream into a specific mission with the asset that you add to the mission here in DroneSense OpsHub, which is a great feature as well. Now, we're going to go into the video view. So this is, again, a novel feature. Remember, on the Magic Video link, you've never been able to see more than one feed at a time. So here, I can go full screen on the feed. I can go back to all the different feeds. I just pinned one of the feeds that I want to be at the top, and you can see that, again, remaining stationary as I scroll through the remainder of the video feeds. I'm going to go ahead and pin a second feed here as well. And again, you can see now that you can scroll through. This is something, again, you've never been able to do in DroneSense from a mobile environment or mobile application. So we're going to go ahead and unpin that. Now we're going to go look at the map. So for those of you that are aware, on the Web and Operations Hub, you have the ability to interact with the map or view the map and view all the video assets. Here we can select or watch all of the videos. Then we can come over to the map as mobile OpsHub or OpsHub Mobile exists today, and we can look at all of our assets on the map as well. So here I'm zooming into one of my coworkers in the great state of Texas. Here is the mobile location and video. We're going to go ahead and interact with the map. We're going to share that location, share the video as well. And it's notifying me that that MSAT location is going to be shared even if this app is minimized. Okay, and then again, I'm sharing my video here as well. Now, a couple of things to note, and let me go ahead and get another screen shared up with you all. What we want to note is there are some actions that need to happen on the customer side. So if you, as a DroneSense customer, would like to opt in, we're going to ask that you email help@dronesense.com. That's help@dronesense.com, because we need to turn some flags on the back end to make sure that you are getting all of the function of the OpsHub mobile app. Now, what you're going to see that's a little bit different, and this is really cool, is instead of receiving text notifications, you can receive push notifications. I am sharing a screen now, and I'm going to go ahead and go to the members page, and I have me pre-selected. And I'm going to go ahead and click on my member profile page. And again, this is an organization I don't normally fly in, so I have very low flight hours here. But what you see that's a little bit different is we have email notifications, text notifications, which you're used to, but we also have push notifications. Now, you will not see the push notifications in your web environment unless you email help@dronesense.com to ask for inclusion in this app. Now, this is really cool. There is no cost of the app. Again, there's no cost. You just need to email help@dronesense.com and we'll get you set up as well. Important to note a few things. One is this is not a replacement for the Magic Video Link. The Magic Video Link and the notifications in DroneSense will still perform exactly the same way that you're used to. These are added enhancements and features if you choose to use them. Nothing is going to change on your account unless you want to opt in to use the OpsHub mobile app. Now, you cannot have both text and push notifications enabled. It needs to be one or the other. I'm going to go ahead and select edit on my profile page. We have text, and again, it's going to tell me I can only use one of these. And that makes sense thinking about how those notifications are getting pushed out to that telephone number. So push or text. Again, we have talked about the fact that this OpsHub environment is really brand new to the DroneSense ecosystem. So what this application is doing is it's bringing together, it's amalgamating all of your video feeds, all of your map assets, as well as the MSAT or mobile and streaming functions, as well as the ability to add specific drones such as Skydio into a mission in real time. It is a wonderful app, and we're excited to share it with you. If you have any questions, of course, reach out to your DroneSense customer success team, and we're looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks, and stay safe.